how to fix unable to load videos on iPhone. So first is you have to go to your settings area. The main reason why you are unable to load your videos on your iPhone is it's because your storage is full. Now to fix that, you go to your general here and then go to your iPhone storage and check if you have actually a full storage already, and if it's full, then I really recommend you to delete the applications that actually consumes most of the spaces, or the applications that you are not actually using to have enough space for the video to actually load. Now if it's still not working, you can try and power off to your phone here, and just slide it to power off and then turn it on again. And basically that is how you fix unable to load videos on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.